Hi, this is James Abraham with warehouse-lighting.com. I want to show you the 30-watt folding light by ProLight. This is great for worksite lighting. It's rechargeable, lasts quite a long time. Run time is anywhere from 2.5 hours to 8 hours, depending on what level of intensity you use with this. There's really three levels. There's a 2400 watt, or I'm sorry, there's a 2400 lumen, there's a 1200 lumen, and an 800 lumen. And it all is selected by a switch that's mounted on top. It's great for directionalizing your workspaces. Like, it also can be tripod mounted, so you can point it in the different directions. But as you can see, I'm going to switch on. Comes in at the 1200 lumen mode, which is about 5 hours of light time with the charge. 2400, which is 2.5 hours of lighting time. And then there's the 800, which is 8 hours of light time. Again, this is a great fixture to throw in the back of your truck. Real portable, real durable. It's kind of a good fixture for ProLight. If you have any questions, you can definitely contact us, but this is a really nice thing to throw in the back of your truck for spotting jobs. Have a great day. I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks a lot.